Let's unbox the HW12 Smartwatch, which comes with a ton of features such as TFT display with 1.57 inches screen size and 320x320 screen resolution. This can be used to track your heart rate, rechargeable battery, IP68 water resistant and compatible with Android as well as iOS. And you can answer and end calls using this smartwatch, and sleep monitoring, be updated with local weather, monitor the heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and multi-sport mode with retina display. Additionally, you can listen to music. Yes, this is made in China. Okay, let's unbox. Right away you can see the user manual and the HW12 smartwatch, and the charging cable is also available but not the dock. And now let's go to the watch. It comes with a rubber strap in a Apple Watch design with polythene case to the head part of the watch. When you click the crown button, you can turn on the watch and you can charge and using the magnetic charger. It comes with which comes in the box. The charger is an unusual type of charger with USB-A to the magnetic connector. And you can scroll up to check your messages and scroll down to access the control center, and slide left to quick settings and slide right to check the heart rate. And you can click the crown to check all the apps and use its features, and click again to go to the lock screen. Okay, let's see in my next video. Thank you, and check out the Apple Watch unboxing on the screen. Okay, thank you, bye, peace.